The river does not stop to ask what it is, it just flows. Have you ever quietly asked yourself, who am I, really? Not out loud, not in a dramatic way, just a soft question lingering under everything you do. As children, we ask it with curiosity. As teenagers, we ask it with frustration. And as adults, we whisper it in silence, still searching, still unsure. We look around and admire people who seem so certain of themselves. Their style, their playlists, their choices, everything looks like it fits them perfectly. Meanwhile, we feel like a collage of borrowed pieces, constantly trying on different versions of ourselves, hoping one might finally feel right. This silent search is the saboteur of the mind. It convinces us to chase belonging instead of authenticity. It makes us forget that becoming who we truly are is not about finding the perfect identity, but about creating one. The exhaustion of belonging. When we don't know who we are, we often try to be like everyone else. We copy the music our friends like. We wear what's trending. We choose words that sound impressive. We ask, what would they want me to say? Instead of, what do I truly believe? And while this helps us fit in for a while, it also drains us. We become actors in a play that never ends. We trade fragments of ourselves for approval, hoping someone will finally say, this version of you is enough. But over time, we realize we've become a mosaic of other people's expectations, and yet none of it feels like home. The paradox of choices. Identity is built from choices, and in today's world, we have more choices than ever before. We can reinvent ourselves endlessly, live any lifestyle we want, pursue countless paths, but when everything is possible, nothing feels certain. It's like standing in a store staring at hundreds of options, stuck between endless shades that all seem promising but slightly wrong. Choice is supposed to be freedom, yet too often, it becomes paralysis. We hesitate, wondering if some alternate version of us, who chose differently, is living a better life. But maybe the point isn't to find the right path. Maybe the power is in choosing a path and walking it fully. Because the magic isn't in finding the perfect life, it's in owning the life that's yours. The discomfort of not knowing. Here's the truth. The uncertainty never fully goes away. There will be days when not knowing who you are feels unbearable, when the pressure to figure it out feels like it's crushing you. But hidden in that discomfort is a strange freedom. When nothing is fixed, you have room to rewrite. The self is never truly lost. It just waits to be rediscovered. Every time you shed a version of yourself that wasn't real, you create more space for what is real to grow. And slowly you begin to realize, becoming yourself isn't about answers, it's about courage. The slow burn of becoming. We chase the fantasy of a finished self, a day when our purpose will click into place, and everything will finally make sense. But identity isn't a final sculpture. It's more like a river, always shifting, carving new paths, changing with time. The harder you chase a perfect version of you, the further it slips away, because the answer doesn't come from searching outward. It comes from writing inward, choice by choice, step by step, chapter by chapter. You are not a destination. You are a draft, a slow burn, a soft becoming. And maybe the most beautiful truth of all is this: there will never be a final version of you, only 1,000 honest chapters waiting to be lived. And maybe the most beautiful truth of all is this: there will never be a final version of you, only 1,000 honest chapters waiting to be lived. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more videos on growth, mindset, and becoming your truest self.